Hybridization leads an entirely new shape and orientation to the valence orbitals of an atom. It holds a significant importance. Okay, it plays role for the determination of the shape and geometry of the molecules. Um, so uh, we have various types of hybrid orbitals. For example, sp and d orbitals of the simple atoms may hybridize in the following manners. First of all, sp hybridization. The intermixing of an s and a p orbital only leads to two sp hybrid orbitals known as hybrid orbitals, and that phenomena is called as hybridization or sp hybridization. Each sp hybrid orbital has 50% s character and 50% p character. Orbitals just which are going to generate these have the tendency to repel and be further apart from each other. So, in order to do that, these arrange in themselves in a linear manner. So, these can also be called as linear hybrid orbitals, and they gives an angle of 180 degree between the axes of the two orbitals. Um, the examples of the sp hybrid orbitals are uh, beryllium difluoride and beryllium dichloride. These molecules are formed after the sp hybridization in the beryllium orbitals. And in sp hybridization we can also see that the shape of the molecules will be. The other type of hybridization is sp2 hybridization. In sp2 hybridization, one s orbital and two p orbitals mix up to hybridize. As a result, new three orbitals will form. These three orbitals will individually be called as sp2 hybrid orbitals, and that process is called as sp2 hybridization. Each sp2 hybrid orbital has 33% s character and 67% p character. As the three orbitals undergoing hybridization lie in a plane, so do the new orbitals. They have to lie farthest apart in a plane, which can happen if they are directed to an angle 120 degree to one another. It is for this reason that sp2 hybrid orbitals are also called as trigonal hybrids or trigonal hybrid orbitals, and that process is called as trigonal hybridization. sp2 hybrid orbitals resemble to the shape of the sp hybrid orbitals, but these are slightly fatter. Okay, the example of the sp2 hybridization are bf3 and no3 negative, etc. Okay, number 3, sp3 hybridization. The four new orbitals formed by mixing of ns and 3p orbitals of an atom are known as the sp3 hybridization or sp3 hybrid orbitals, and each sp3 hybrid orbital has 25% s character and 75% p character. And the geometry of the sp3 hybrid orbitals is tetrahedral, and that tetrahedral hybridization uh, takes place by the angle of 109 degree. 109.5 degree angle is between the two hybrid orbitals. And example of the sp3 hybrid orbitals are ch4, so4 negative 2 and clo4 negative. These molecules contain the geometry of the tetrahedral geometry, because here the four hybrid orbitals are involved. Now we will discuss the geometry or hybridization involving d orbitals. There are several types of hybridization involving d orbitals. There are different types which are named as sp3d hybridization, sp3d2 hybridization, and sp2d hybridization. First of all, we will discuss about sp3d hybridization. Here, as the name indicates, that there is one s orbital involved and the three p orbitals and one d orbital is involved in this type of hybridization, and the angle between two orbitals will be 120 degree, um, and the figure obtained by this hybridization will be trigonal bipyramidal shape. And so this type of hybridization is also called as trigonal bipyramidal hybridization. The other type of the d orbitals hybridization is the other type is sp3d2 hybridization. In sp3d2 hybridization, there is one s orbital involved and three p orbitals involved, and two d orbitals are involved, and these are dispersed in a plane at an angle of 90 degree each, and rest of two are directed up and below this plane. So the joining their corners, so the structure will be formed as octahedral structure, so that hybridization is called as octahedral hybridization. The last type of the d orbitals hybridization is called as sp2d hybridization. Here, as the name indicates, that there is one s orbital involved and two p orbitals involved, and one d orbital undergo intermixing. So the resultant hybridized orbitals will be five hybridized orbitals, and each hybridized orbital will be called as sp2d hybridized orbital, and the geometry will be the square planar geometry, and that hybridization is called as square planar hybridization.